Welcome back, everybody. Akelia Anderson, LaShawn Tapper, two students from the Excelsior Community College, were recently declared winners of the National Skills Competition in the categories of hairdressing and beauty therapy. And they're joining us now, along with head of the School of Aesthetics and Cosmetology, Alia Wedderburn, to talk about the passion and the program and everything else. Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
How you do?
I am good.
Good to have you. Boy,
Thanks for having
Excelsior is
us.
doing a bag of things in this area.
Yes, that's what we're known for.
Yeah, I was actually talking to we have a new MUA here, a new makeup artist by the name of, geez, I'm Simone, don't do it. Mercedes. I was going to say Melissa Mercy. I called her Benz. Who actually got her certification at Excelsior.
Yes.
And she's boss.
Yes, I trained her.
You trained her?
Yes.
What? So tell me about the program.
Okay, so our two students here are actually from two of our three programs. We have the Cosmetology Certificate Program and our Occupational Associate Degree in Beauty and Wellness. So these two students, they have been focusing on all different areas in cosmetology. So they focus on hair, skin, and nails, makeup, artistry, massage, the whole works.
And tell me about the skills competition now.
Okay, so the skills competition, you have World Skills International, and Jamaica is a member of that organization. And they entered maybe about a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
It was May?
Yes, they competed. They competed with students from many different schools. They did several test projects across 3 days and they came out on top. So we are absolutely proud of them.
That's so fantastic. That speaks to the good work that y'all are doing down there. So who's training them? Okay, so we have a team, all of our coaches. So we have two coaches, Raquel Ricketts-Lee and Rowena Graham. They are also past competitors for World Skills Jamaica. And I am also a part of the team. I also represented Jamaica in Japan many years ago. So it's a legacy that we are building with them. So do they now leave, having won this, do they now go to an international competition or no?
They have a chance to be selected from all the different skill areas that competed to compete in Lyon, France.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Girlies, it's gone bonjour. All right, let me go talk to them a little bit, miss, and see what they're up to. Let me start with Akelia. Hi, good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
Boy, tell me a little bit about your passion for hairdressing.
Hairdressing has been a part of me since I was a child. Like, I always loved hairstyling. I always have a lot of dolls. And even when there's no dolls, I would attach extensions to a bottle just to practice doing hair.
So you used to cut your dolly hair and style your dolly hair. You do know it could not grow back, right? I bet you used to get enough trouble for messing up your dolly hair. So now, having gone to Excelsior, first of all, tell me what the program was like.
It was filled with amazing experiences. I don't regret signing up for Excelsior.
And what does it feel like to have won the competition at this level?
It feels great.
Yeah.
I feel big.
Hey, high five, big girl. I feel whingy like, but you feel big. So what now? What is your goal as far as hairdressing goes?
My goal is to open my own business and branch off internationally.
You're building dreams, Alia. That's what you're doing.
Yes.
Yes, so we transform lives.
You're transforming lives. You're taking them to their skills, and the skills are becoming their revenue streams. Hello there, Mr. Sean. What's going on over here?
Hi.
Tell me, what you doing?
I'm just attaching some rhinestones to the nails.
Rhinestones to, these are tips?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me you are the winner of the beauty therapy category.
Yes,
and beauty therapy envelops what?
Everything basically, facials, massage, tips and acrylic, makeup.
So you don't do the hair business? That is not your thing. So tell me about your love of this. So Akela said she loved hair from she remember herself. What was it about this area that inspired you to get involved?
Artistry.
You're an artist.
Yeah.
I see. So do you also draw and paint and?
No, just drawing I do.
You draw, okay. And this is your favorite aspect of it, is nails?
Yes, the artist. Creating different shapes and sculpting around with the nails and playing random things.
Wow. So what did you have to do for the actual competition?
facial, massage, makeup, pedicure, nails.
You had to demonstrate everything. Was it difficult?
Yes, it was.
So that means the victory feels even sweeter.
Very sweet, actually.
Yeah.
Very, very sweet.
And what are your plans for your future as far as your skill sets go?
I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to own my own business. I want to be big in the industry.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe you and Akile can open a beauty spot together. Alia, there are lots of young people watching this morning, and I love the confidence of our young people now in realizing that they have options.
Yes.
Not the traditional options. It's not doctor, lawyer, Indian chief. And I wanted to say to a lot of parents who are watching this morning, who sometimes want their children to go in the more streamlined road, more traveled, than the road less traveled. But the road less traveled often brings the best rewards, and especially when your heart is in it.
Yes.
And these young people have proven that their heart is.
Yes.
They become very successful very quickly.
Yes.
So one, to the young people who are watching who say, boy, I never know that if I love makeup, there's a school I can go to do this.
Yes.
Well, tell us how they get involved.
Okay, so there are many options for them to join us at Excelsior. They're able to apply. Our next intake will be in September, but we are already accepting applications. And the good thing is that students leaving high school, because of the extended high school experience, they're able to come to us for the additional 2 years through our sixth form pathway program.
Excellent.
And that is sponsored by the government. So they really have no excuse not to pursue skills training. That really is the way to go.
And this is a full-time program.
Yes, but we are considering exploring part-time options because they do get opportunities for employment throughout.
Because they're that good.
Yes. Akila is now working. So.
Hey, what you mean? What you mean? Akila, beg your money now? Beg a new bank note. Fantastic. Guys, check this out. This program is clearly top tier. Ladies, if you do head to France, we wish you all the best in the competition there. Parents, encourage your children to do what they love. This here and there thing, it's earning people a good amount. Not a little bit of money, a good amount of money. So thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Ladies, congrats again. Nice to meet you and all the best to you. Winners of the National Skills Competition, Akelia Anderson and Rashawn Tapper, and head of the School of Aesthetics and Cosmetology at Excelsior Community College, Alia Waterburn. Up next, we're stepping into the Smile Kitchen. Nefril is cooking tapas. Soon come.